Hi guys and welcome back to Gadget Guide channel. Looking for the best gaming PC cases of 2023? Gaming PC cases are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best gaming PC case from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Bgears b-Voguish Gaming PC Case. Bgears' new ATX case, b-Voguish RGB, ready with tinted tempered glass front and side window. Mid-tower ATX case, 5mm thick tempered glass with door hinge open side window panel, designed for easy access to chassis. Internal separate chamber for power supply, designed for better cooling support. ATX/ATX/micro ATX/ITX motherboards support water cooling. Front 240mm. Top 240mm, rear 120mm, USB 30x1/USB 20x2/mic/HD audio cable, length 700mm, support up to 9 fans for cooling. 3x120mm or 3x140mm front. Optional, 2x120mm top, 1x120mm rear. Optional, 3x120mm PSU cage. Optional. Support CPU cooler height up to 160mm. Support VGA card up to 370mm. Dust cover on top panel and PSU location. 3x3 5-inch HDD 2x25 SSD 7 PCI slot. Number 4. NZXT H510 Gaming PC Case. New features: front I/O USB Type-C port and tempered glass side panel with single screw installation. Enhanced cable management. Our patented cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps makes wiring easy and intuitive. Streamlined cooling. 2 RF 120mm fans included for optimal internal airflow, in the front panel and PSU intakes include removable filters. Removable bracket designed for radiators up to 240mm, simplifies the installation of either closed loop or custom loop water cooling. Motherboard support: mini ITX, micro ATX, and ATX. Number 3. MSI MPG Gaming PC Case. Tempered glass side panel. The side panel consists of tempered glass that can clearly showcase the fan's RGB lighting and build without any obstruction. RGB showroom. Customize your colors with 4 included ARGB 120mm fans, all supported by MSI Mystic Light. Instalight Loop. Instalight Loop button allows users to quickly cycle through ARGB lighting effects and color profiles. USB Type-C support. Synergize the MPG Gunner 110 ARP with a MSI motherboard by bridging a USB Gen 2 Type-C port with 10 gigabits per second for convenient access. Number 2. Corsair iCUE Gaming PC Case. Combining stylish tempered glass, customizable RGB lighting, innovative cable management, and concentrated airflow, choose the 4000X RGB for a unique high-performance PC. Show off your components and RGB lighting with tempered glass side and front panels, built with dedicated front ventilation channels for ample airflow. The Corsair Rapid Route cable management system makes it simple and fast to build an immaculate, professional-looking system with major cables neatly routed through a single channel, with a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes 3 Corsair 120mm air guide RGB fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. Each fan is equipped with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs for brilliant customizable lighting. Fully control and synchronize the RGB lighting for up to 6 fans with the included iCUE lighting node core and Corsair iCUE software. Number 1. Cooler Mastered Gaming PC Case. Polygonal mesh features a 3-dimensional contour and is also capable of simultaneously providing high airflow and dust filtration. A crystalline tempered glass side panel dons a crystalline design, precision engineered for strength as well as aesthetics. Materials: steel, plastic. 3 included addressable RGB fans flood the build with lighting while providing considerable airflow. For enthusiast-grade cooling, 2,360mm radiators are supported on the top and front panel to keep the most extreme systems cool. Support for up to 7,120mm fans in front, top, and rear liquid cooling ensure the utmost in performance. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.